Adding a debit card to your Trading212 account is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your trading activities easily. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Open the Trading212 app. Launch the Trading212 app on your mobile device or access the Trading212 website on your computer. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option. This is typically found in the Profile or Menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings, find and select the option for payment methods or funding options. This section allows you to manage your payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Add a new debit card. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your debit card information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to add the debit card to your account. You may receive a confirmation notification. Now you can easily fund your Trading212 account using your debit card. Enjoy your trading experience.